Hello viewers, welcome once again. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can apply ranking and perform top N analysis. Now, ranking and top N analysis, both the topics are considered a little bit advanced topics in Power BI, but we will try to demonstrate how easily you can apply both the concepts in any of your Power BI applications. So to understand, first of all, we have to understand the concept of ranking. So let us try to understand, and for that, I am going to the Power BI screen. Hope you can see this particular screen. And basically, I will work on this particular data, which I have already imported. If I select the data view, you will understand that it is basically sheet 1 is basically containing some participants' name, their pretest score, some pretest dates, and some grades in post-test activity, etc., etc., etc. Now, let us try to understand, let us try to organize this data on the basis of descending order of pretest. So I can see this person has got maximum marks, so that's why its record is coming on top. Now, second person has scored 89, third person has scored 84. Now, all these are distinct values, but in the fourth and fifth record, we are having a kind of duplicacy. Both the persons have scored equal marks, and ranking is applicable here. So if you want to apply ranking, ideally this will be number 1, this will be number 2, number 3, but for these two cases, equal ranks are to be applied. So question arises how you can apply ranking. So I am right clicking and trying to apply a new column. Basically, to determine the ranking, I can say ranking. There is a function in Power BI that is called rank X. So you see that first is coming table. Table means our data set. So definitely sheet 1 will be our data set. So I can say sheet 1. Next expression, next parameter is about expression. Expression here means basis on which particular column you want to apply a ranking. So our target value is this pretest, and that's why we can write here sheet 1 pretest. Now I am saying what is the, or this particular things, you can see these 3 parameters are all optional. So basically what I can do, I can close this bracket and press the enter key. Now you can see, try to understand that 94, so its ranking is 1. Next highest value is 89, so its rank is 2. Next highest value is 84, so its rank is 3. But for this duplicate, it is applying equal ranking, 4 and 4 and coming. And because there are 2 4s, so there is no immediate ranking for 5th position. Next available ranking is 6th. And again, for the 6th ranking, I can see there are duplicacy. Both have scored equal marks, 81 and 81. So I am getting 6 and 6. Both their rankings are same. So this is often useful when you are going to find out the ranking or the position basis on the performance score. And you have seen how very easily we can determine the ranking in Power BI application. Now, coming to the next topic, that is top-N analysis. So how top-N analysis can be done? Now I can see many rankings are there. Now, for example, I want to find out the first 4 ranking. So first 4 ranking means from the topmost position, or I can say ranking 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way, the first topmost records I want to retrieve. Now, this particular types of operation certainly gives you a table. So what I am doing now, I am going to the home, and inside there you will find there is a table called enter data. It is tooltip text. Read the tooltip text. Here you can copy paste or manipulate. You can enter the data on your own. You can type or you can copy paste, but this thing should not be the right choice for creating table. Another option is there. Here you can see it's a new table where it is said you can apply a DAX expression. So I'm clicking here. So now I'm saying it's a setup performer. So now I can say top N. Remember, N stands for numbers. So the name of the function is basically top N. And it can take N value. N values means how many number of rows you want to retrieve. So I can say 4. Then which particular table? Definitely our table will be sheet 1. Then order by expression. Now it is asking on which particular column you want to apply this top N. So as per our discussion, we have to go for not pre-test, we have to go for ranking. So I'm choosing sheet 1 ranking, and last parameter, it can be entered in the form of ascending or descending order. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically I have to choose ascending order. If you take descending, then it will be wrong in this case. So I'm choosing ascending and closing the bracket. You have to press the enter key. So now you can see that although you had asked for, after bringing the value into the tabular form, you can see it has been descending order. So what I am doing, I am just putting again it in ascending order. So now, point to be remembered, you can see here you had asked for 4 records to bring. But because there are duplicate values in the ranking, actually it has picked up 5 values, because as per Power BI calculation, both their rankings are same and hence their records are being picked up. Actually, it is not counting the number of rows basis on the rank. If it finds that same ranking is available across some other records, so it is trying to maintain a kind of uniformity. And in this way, you can perform both top N analysis inside your Power BI application. So hope you have understood the whole concept. If it is yes, do like and subscribe our channel. We will be coming up with more such important topics in Power BI. Thank you.